Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you it says couldn't refresh feed every time I want to view my Instagram profile. So how can also fix it? So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, you need to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find first thing Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you need to open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you need to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram, and if you see update, just tap on update button and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iOS. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.